Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jody cooking. Today I'm gonna make you some Korean fried chicken honey wings. These are my wings. As you can see, I cut them up in pieces. These are all my seasoning. You have garlic powder, you have all-purpose seasoning, you have black pepper, you have chicken seasoning, and you also have paprika. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. And now I'm gonna season my chicken wings. Just make sure everything is all blending. Notice I haven't used any salt in my food, especially my meat, because the seasoning already full of so much salt, so I try to cut down on the salt. So my chicken is all seasoning, and this is what it look like. I use 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning and 1 spoonful of paprika, 1 spoonful of chicken seasoning, and half a teaspoonful of black pepper, and 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder. So I'm just gonna leave it in my fridge to marinate for at least 30 minutes. So this is the next step. You're gonna need at least 2 cups of plain flour and also 2 eggs. And you're gonna need your seasoning. This is not a lot. This is garlic powder, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just gonna pour it in my flour. Just give it a stir. This is just half a teaspoonful of the seasoning. And that's my egg mix. I'm just gonna put just a tiny bit of salt in there. That's it, not a lot. And just give it a stir. So my chicken has marinated, and this is what it look like. Here I have my egg mix, and I also have my flour mix. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my chicken wings and just put it in my egg mix. Then my flour mix. Just make sure all the flour is on the chicken wings. Make sure it all coat. And dust it off. Just put it in a plate. So I'm just gonna do that back and forth. So my chicken wings is coated, and this is what it look like. So now is the fun part. I'm gonna fry them now. So here I have a pot on the stove with some vegetable oil. Just make sure you put enough oil in there so your chicken will fry properly. So my oil is hot, so I'm just gonna put some garlic, some fresh garlic to my oil. It's gonna give it such a lovely flavor as well. Next one, And I'm gonna also add my chicken wings. I'm gonna allow it to fry for at least 5 minutes on each side. So now I'm gonna turn my chicken wings. So my chicken wings is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. It's so golden and so nice, exactly how I want it. So I'm just gonna remove it now. So all my wings is all finished, and this is what it look like. As you can see, it is so crunchy, guys. Look at this. This is exactly how I want it. So now I'm gonna make my sauce. So this is all my ingredients for my sauce. You're gonna need 3 spoonful of butter, garlic, cut up garlic, ginger, 1 spoon of soya sauce, 2 spoonful of honey, and half a cup of white sugar, granulated sugar. But I'm sure you can use even dark sugar also. So first thing I'm gonna do, here I have a pot on the stove, it's hot. So I'm just gonna add my butter to it. Then I'm gonna add my garlic and my ginger. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 3 minutes to saute. And I'm gonna also add some all-purpose seasoning. That's a teaspoonful. And black pepper. That's around half a teaspoonful of black pepper. And now I'm gonna add my sugar. Just make sure your stove is on medium. And I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of paprika. My soya sauce. And my honey. So my sauce is finally finished. So now I'm gonna add my chicken wings. So stir it. That look absolutely delicious. Looking so good, guys. Look at that. So delicious. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Hi guys, so this is how my wings looks on the plate. It's looking absolutely delicious. I hope you guys do try this recipe. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.